So after a massive wait, I finally got a Humminbird Mega Live transducer, installed it on the Bass Cat Caracal. Was really actually simple to install because I'm running dual graphs up front. I was able to use one independently, isolating it for use with the Mega Live, and then I'm running 360 and my built-in MSI DI on the other unit, which is Ethernetted to the back unit. Now, running the wiring and everything else is pretty straightforward, being that there's no box to deal with. It's only mounting the transducer. I chose to mount it on a GeigerTec universal mount that allows me to take it off rapidly. I can switch it between the Bass Cat and the Yarcraft if I have to. But the nice thing is really plug and play. No boxes to hide, no extra power wires to run. There's 2 power wires, including a drain wire on the transducer power itself. And then there's the Ethernet plug that goes in directly into the back of the Humminbird Helix 10 that I'm running. For power, because I wasn't sure, I wanted to make sure everything was working, I temporarily just ran the cable down along the carpet. And then what I did was I had 2 of my Dakota Lithium 10 amp hour power boxes charged up, ready to go. I put open-end connectors on the power wires, and I just attach them to that, which I kept inside the starboard side box, storage box there, sitting on top of life jackets, so they're cushioned. I'm not worried about them banging around. Really simple system. Nice thing is with this, using the power box, it's got an on-off switch, so you can actually shut power off to the Mega Live transducer when you're not using it or when you're running around or traveling. So it was a perfect little scenario to do. And the clarity of the image was super clear. It looked great. Distance-wise, I was super comfortable inside of 40 feet with it. But this fish here, I mean, really, I was looking for perch schools to see if I could see these smaller fish, and then one big one showed up in a school. Watched the rod jump, it bit, I set the hook. Oh my God. I watched that fish come down. Oh my, I don't even know what this thing is. He was good size, kind of long on the Mega Live, but wow, that was so fun. Dropped that 2.8 rhythm wave down there, and what do we got? It's pretty big. You gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Come on, baby. Don't jump, don't. Oh my God. Oh my God, the smallmouth. Oh my God, look at this thing. This might be my biggest smallmouth of the year. Look at this brick. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh, 901 NRX Plus, 2.8 rhythm wave with bait fuel. And he swam straight down and smoked it. Look at that. I gotta weigh this thing. That VMC Ned head, the Ned Rig Jig, he was not getting off. Right in the roof of the mouth. Holy jeez. Let me throw him in the live well for now. And this is the result. So overall, first impressions, super happy using it for bass for the first time. Very, very easy to tell. Oh my good God. See how much this thing weighs. Get it back as fast as possible here. Of course, a boat goes by right at this moment. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop, stop, stop. Come on. 660. 660. Woo! The Mega Live, first day using it. If that doesn't tell you it works, nothing will. Let's get this one back.